Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever wondered how to dive into the world of crypto but felt a bit overwhelmed? Whether you're eyeing Bitcoin, Ethereum, or maybe something new and exciting. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to buy your very first cryptocurrency safely step by step, especially for beginners like us, looking to get started in 2025. Let's unravel this together. First things first. You need to pick a reliable home for your crypto journey. We're talking about choosing a crypto exchange. Think of it like your digital bank for cryptocurrencies. Big names you can trust are Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and KuCoin. These platforms are awesome because they let you easily create an account, deposit your money, and trade hundreds of different cryptocurrencies securely. When you're choosing, always look for strong security features, fair fees, and good reviews. Those are your golden tickets. Once you've picked your exchange, it's time to create and verify your account. You'll sign up with your email, create a super strong password, seriously, make it unique, and then you'll go through something called KYC. Know your customer. This just means you'll upload your ID or passport to confirm it's really you. It is a standard process that protects you from fraud and helps keep things compliant with global regulations. And here's a pro tip. Always enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. After your account is all set and verified, you'll need to deposit money. Most exchanges offer a few ways to do this: bank transfers, credit or debit cards, or even mobile money, depending on where you are in the world. Just keep in mind that each method might have different fees and processing times. Generally, bank transfers tend to have lower fees than card payments, so that's a little insider tip for you. Now for the fun part, choosing what crypto to buy. Many beginners wisely start with Bitcoin, BTC, or Ethereum. They're the giants of the crypto world, well established, and have solid security. But as you learn more, you can explore other exciting options like Solana, Avalanche, or Cardano. The most crucial thing here is to always do your own research before investing. Don't just jump in because a coin is trending. Really understand its purpose and what it offers. Ready to make your first purchase? Head over to the trading section and pick your coin. You'll usually see options like market order and limit order. A market order is super simple. It buys your crypto instantly at the current price. A limit order lets you be a bit more strategic. You set your own desired price, and the exchange will only buy it when the market hits that point. Decide how much you want to spend, hit buy, and congratulations. You are now a crypto owner. Once you own crypto, the next big step is storing it safely, while you can leave it on the exchange for better security. Many people transfer their crypto to their own personal wallet. There are two main types: hot wallets, which are apps like Trust Wallet or MetaMask for quick, easy access. And then there are cold wallets, which are hardware devices like Ledger or Trezor. These offer maximum protection because they store your crypto offline. Remember the golden rule: not your keys, not your coins. Now, as exciting as crypto is, it's also a magnet for scammers. So, avoid them like the plague. Never, ever share your private keys or seed phrases with anyone. Be wary of DMs promising quick, guaranteed profits. If it sounds too good to be true, it almost certainly is. Always use official exchange apps and websites, and double-check those. As your portfolio grows, you'll want to keep track of it. Apps like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, or CoinStats are fantastic for this. They help you monitor price changes, set alerts, and manage your long-term strategy, keeping you organized and informed. Finally, for the more adventurous, there's P2P trading, or peer. This is where you buy crypto directly from other individuals. Platforms like Binance P2P or OKX P2P allow you to use local payment methods without involving traditional banks. Just be sure to use their escrow protection and only trade with verified